Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare river prawn masala. So let's watch this video till end. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Here taken 500 grams of small river prawn, washed and cleaned it. Then put some turmeric powder and salt, mix it properly and rest it for 30 minutes. To prepare masala, I have taken 2 sliced onion, 1 big tomato chopped, 1 inch ginger, 2 to 3 garlic cloves and red chili. Heat a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and then few cumin seeds. Then add few dry chili and all the onion slices. Cook the onion for some time and then add chopped ginger and garlic pieces. Cook all together for some time and then add chopped tomato. Mix all properly and cook everything for 10 to 15 minutes. Then switch off the flame. This has been cooked properly. Now transfer to a plate and cool it down completely. Meanwhile, let's fry the marinated prawns. Heat a pan, add some oil and fry the prawn pieces. Fry the prawns on both sides, then transfer to a plate. After cooling down, put this in a blending jar. Make a fine paste out of it. Let's prepare masala for the gravy. Heat a pan, add some oil, add pinch of asafoetida, 1 bay leaf. Add the grounded paste. Cook the masala until it gets dry and then add some water. Again cook it for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. Here masala is almost cooked. Now add some Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon meat masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt as per taste. Mix everything and then add water as per your gravy. Stir it nicely and let it boil for some time. Once it gets boiled, add the fried prawn pieces. Mix the prawns with the masala and allow it to cook up to 2 to 3 minutes. This is a very easy, quick and very tasty recipe. You can easily try at home. Similarly, you can prepare this recipe with jumbo prawn or king size prawn instead of this small river prawn. Prawn masala is ready. Switch off the flame and then serve it in a bowl. And here a tasty and yummy river prawn masala is ready. You can enjoy it with roti or rice.